Are you looking for the best tips and advices for writing a winning resume that helps you land job offers with tremendous career opportunities? Finding a job can be overwhelming and a stressful task. Professionals spend hours crafting their resume, preparing for interviews, for salary negotiation, worrying about things to say or not to say, and anything else that can maximize their chances of succeeding in the hiring process. Your resume will be your representative in your absence in front of the hiring manager. People ask themselves several questions when writing a resume. Should I write a resume in one page or many? Should I focus more on my qualities and skills to demonstrate to the employer that I am the right fit? What is the recommended balance in all of that? Plenty of questions can pass by your mind while writing your resume. Here is our video that will explain the 5 big don't when writing a winning resume. Welcome to Professionals by Nature, where people find tips and advices about their career, finance, and lifestyle inspirations. We cover topics such as career progress, money making, investing, relocation destinations for skilled professionals, and much more. If you have not considered subscribing yet, click on the button subscribe and hit the bell for more content-related videos. Number 1. Don't sell general knowledge. Take this as a matter of fact. General knowledge won't give you a job. Why? Because general knowledge does not build a bridge, a car, or fly you safely in the air. Would you imagine flying with a pilot that has a general idea about how to fly a plane? Would you do that? Probably not. In fact, general knowledge does not cure a sick patient and does not perform a heart surgery. Not a successful one. Even the electricity you are using at this same moment to watch this video was not invented by people who had a general knowledge about electricity. Tesla would disagree with that. Take the example of Napoleon Hill in his all-time best-selling book, Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill has studied successful people's secrets that have amassed fortunes better and closer than anyone else. One of the common patterns that he noticed was that these successful people have mastered the power of specific knowledge. They excelled in one thing, or one field, and they used it to solve a problem and create value. If you are convinced that you need to learn a lot of things, our advice is that before chasing all the knowledge, focus on a specific field or skill. Become good at it, master it, and maybe make a living out of it. Once you feel the time has come to learn the next thing, do it with your full focus and dedication. That is the recipe for acquiring a vast amount of knowledge based on specific knowledge. And remember, if you chase 2 rabbits, you will not catch either one. Number 2. Don't focus on yourself. This might sound counterintuitive, but the more you focus on yourself to show an employer how much a perfect match you are to the job, the less likely this employer will hire you. In fact, your future employer cares less about who you are or what you have done before. Sounds harsh, right? Well, it is not. It is pragmatic. Your employer cares about the value that you bring to the business. You might have graduated from a prestigious school, speak many languages, practice martial arts, and play an instrument. But as a business owner, and being bound by the financial and project targets, your future employer is obligated to hire the person that brings the best value to the company. So, remember, don't focus on yourself, but focus on the value that you can bring to the table. That's what most likely your future employer will care about. Number 3. Don't neglect the soft skills. Many times, candidates focus on their hard skills and neglect to strengthen the soft skills they used in their journey. The technical skills are important and are a key factor to your performance at work. But there is a high probability that your future employer already has a well-established business with a well-established intellectual property. So they might not need someone to reinvent their wheel. They already have one, and it works. However, your soft skills, such as your time management, your communication skills, your ability to solve problems, to resolve conflicts, to be an active team player, are all vital values and qualities that benefit the business operations and help create a more pleasant place to work at. Speaking of career progress, we have created a perfect career roadmap that has helped many professionals define a clear plan to progress from where they are today to where they want to be. And because you are watching this video, we are offering you this career roadmap for free, and you can find it by going to the link below or by going to our website professionalsbynature.com. Don't wait till you are looking for a job to assess your skills and plan your objectives. This career roadmap will help you do so ahead in advance. Check it out. It's free. Number 4. Don't shorten your resume. You have heard it before. A resume that is more than one page goes to the trash immediately because the HR is so busy. Well, that is wrong. The more experience you gain, the less likely one page will be enough to provide the best overview of your professional and personal profile. Having a resume on multiple pages is also very important when you are applying to a job position abroad. For example, a hiring manager located in the United States is not supposed to know the educational system of a European country where you might be applying from. You can take advantage of the extra space that a multiple pages CV offers to handle the objections that a hiring manager located abroad might have. You don't have to put everything on one page just to respect this so-called rule. Here is our suggestion on how you can structure your resume on 4 pages. You do not have to do exactly the same and go up to 4 pages, but you can get inspired from it and adapt it to your own professional profile and to the job you are intending to apply for. Page 1. This page will provide an overview of your profile that should be sufficient for a busy HR. It should include your name, contact details, education, languages, and the most relevant job experiences. Page 2. Here, you can detail the projects you have worked on and what was your involvement in them. Page 3. Here, you can detail your skills, competence, the tools you have used, etc. Page 4. In this page, you can provide more information about your extra activities, such as hobbies, volunteering, also certifications. Number 5. Last but not least, don't overlook the form. If you would send someone to represent you in front of the employer, how would you like that person to be? Presentable, right? Well, the same goes for your resume. In fact, your resume will be your representative and will speak for you in your absence during the selection process. The presentation of your resume is important. It will help your resume visually stand out in the mass of the competition and pass the first rounds of the selection process. Also, a beautiful and organized layout can make the resume visually attractive and easy to read for your hiring manager. You might have the greatest content on your resume, but if it is not pleasant to the eye and easy to read, you might lower your chances of passing the selection process, especially if the competition is high. Choose a beautiful layout that will match the type of job you are applying for and present your content in an organized manner. So make it look beautiful, presentable, and pleasant to read. So, you've heard it before. The first impression counts. So make it count to your advantage. The look of your resume will help you do so. And don't forget your free career roadmap. Like a captain needs a compass and a map to navigate the seas, you also need a career roadmap to navigate today's career opportunities. Don't wait till you are looking for a job to assess your skills and plan your objectives. This career roadmap will help you do so ahead in advance. To get your free copy, you can click on the link in the video description below or head to our website, professionalsbynature.com. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell button for more content-related videos. We hope to see you soon.